Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know the lighting today is not that great at all, but Hunter is a little clingy today, and I just checked the mail and his little Walmart box came in. I have done a review on this little $5 Walmart box for babies or toddlers before, so go check that out if you want to see what I got in there. I feel like I got some pretty cool stuff. I'm going to be getting this for him every month. I am working a little bit more now, so it's kind of nice. It's only $5, but I want to do something with him. Hi. I want to do something for him every month. So if you guys want to see what comes in this little baby boy Walmart box, then just keep watching. All right, we're going to open this up. Yeah, let's see what's in here. I'm always curious what they put in here. I'm wondering if it's the same stuff as the last time. Wow, this one really doesn't have as much as they did last time. Maybe I won't be getting this every month because it actually came with the same exact thing, pretty much the same exact thing that it came with the previous month. But if you hadn't seen that video, then it came with this right here, which are little blocks for him to be able to build. This is pretty cool. I'll probably end up just putting this in the bathtub so he can play with it. It came with some Shea Moisture 100% coconut oil baby wash and shampoo, which I'm actually excited about this because, oh, and it came with some lotion as well. So I know Shea Moisture, excuse me, it's a really good brand. I've actually had a few hair products from them, and he has sensitive skin, so I think that'll be really nice. Some sensitive skin baby wipes, a little pack. This is perfect to throw in the diaper bag. Then some Johnson bedtime bath. The only routine proven to help improve baby sleep. I haven't used this in a while. I actually had some, but I gave some to my twin sister, I think, because I just feel like his skin is super sensitive and stuff. But maybe if he's not feeling good one day, I'll keep that just to put that in his bath. And then some Hello toothpaste, which I've used this before, and I feel like it just did not really do too much with his teeth. Mama's spitting. But I am not too impressed with this box. I mean, only $5, but still, not too impressed. Are you ready to get out? Or do you want some more food? You want some more? Nom nom. Yeah. He is definitely teething right now. I felt in the back of his mouth he's got 2 teeth coming in back here, so I think that he's just not really feeling too well and you just want to cuddle with mama. That's totally okay with me. Anyway, what do you guys think of this box? Like I said, I'm not quite sure. It came with almost the same thing it came with last time, so I'm not like too impressed, but like I said, it's only $5, so I guess I shouldn't be like that impressed by it. But I think I might get the baby box I did before, the Blum box. I'll create a whole playlist of the baby unboxing stuff or kid unboxing stuff that I've gotten, but I think that next month I will sign up for him for that one because I was super impressed by that one. And then I have another one that my friend Sandra recommended. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure you hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out. I know it was a short one, but usually my videos are super long. Anyway, subscribe, and we will see you in our next video, huh? Can I kiss? No kiss.